To get updates on latest recipes, subscribe to Get Curried and press on the bell icon. Hi, this is Smita Deo and welcome to Get Curried. Diwali is just around the corner and I'm sure you're busy making all your traditional sweets and savories. But today I thought, let's turn a traditional dessert into something different with a little twist. So today I'm going to show you a Moong Dal Halwa and present it with a twist. So I have soaked 2 cups of Moong Dal for about 6 hours, which I'm going to grind to a nice fine paste using half cup of water. So I'm going to heat 20 tablespoons of ghee. I know 20 is a bit too much, but it's Diwali. Once in a while, it's okay to splurge. I'm going to add the moong dal paste that we have ground. And I'm going to saute this till the moong dal paste becomes nice and lumpy, and then it breaks down and the fat separates from it. The paste will now become lumpy and then it will start breaking down and it will release the fat. So we need to go on sauteing it till then. The color will also slightly change. As you can see, the ghee is separated over here. So let's add milk and water. So I have taken 2 cups of milk and 3 cups of water. I'm going to add this very slowly. Be very careful when you're adding this and just go on stirring. And to this, I'm going to add 1.5 cup of sugar. And I'm going to cook this till the halwa is ready. And I'm going to be stirring this occasionally. So we took almost 45 minutes to make this halwa, a little more than 45 minutes. And now our halwa is ready. We have been continuously stirring it. Now we're going to cool this down and then we're going to add the twist to it. The halwa is cooled down. I'm going to add some green cardamom powder, a teaspoon of it. Mix it well. So we're not going to plate this dish in a regular way. Now we're going to add the twist. So I have these small cocktail glasses here, which I'm going to fill half with the halwa. And now on this, I'm going to add whipped cream. Just top it up with whipped cream. Let's decorate these with rose petals. I have fresh rose petals here. I have some finely sliced almonds and pistachios which I had soaked in warm water for a few hours, and then I have peeled them and finely sliced them. Just going to decorate it with this. And now let's add some color to this with the pistachios. So you saw how a traditional dessert like a Moong Dal Halwa can be made to look so pretty and gorgeous like this, and I'm sure it's tasting also fantastic. So do try this recipe for Diwali and enjoy yourselves, and let me know, and have a pollution-free Diwali this year. Wish you a very happy Diwali.